with Turbo. How about that? Look at that. Last video I did, I put a target on here. This yellow line, this yellow right here. Put a target on there. We over exceeded it actually. I had a target here, so, and quite honestly, it could go higher. We're going to take a look at it here. Looking pretty good. I made some really nice money off this thing, long in it. If you want to join us, sign up for level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord, guys. We have over 200 people in there. We've got some great traders. Come join us. Right now is a great time. Bitcoin's running. Not bragging at all. I made $15 in the last 20 minutes. That's pretty easy to make trading. Don't get me wrong. Yesterday I lost a trade. You don't win them all. That's not how it works. That's for sure. But if you get good entries and you win, you could actually be a losing trader and profitable. But you don't want to be. That's for sure. But get good entries, stop losses, and good targets, and you can make some really nice money trading, leverage trading. So consider it. No, consider a level 3 membership. We'd love to have you. Let's take a look at this chart. All right, first off, the crypto bubbles. I want to show you them. Look at Turbo. That's for the week. 94.9%. I remember when this guy started this token. It's man, oh man, seemed like a really great dude. He put a video out. I watched it, and of him making a crypto. Really great guy. I believe he had a little boy, and it was hard. It was heart touching. So I'm rooting for him. I hope Turbo goes to the moon personally. He seemed like a really great, genuine human being, and people like that I root for. Right. So you got Turbo here. $767 million market cap. I think he got pretty emotional when it was in the 20 some million. I can't imagine right now. Good for him. Congratulations. If you stumble across this video, I'm rooting for you, man. I hope this thing goes in the top 10, and and you, and I believe it was your little boy, I hope you live a great life. I'm sure you're going to already. But he made this crypto with AI. Didn't ask it how to do this, how to do that, and AI walked them through the whole thing. It was crazy. And to launch it, of course, you need a little bit of liquidity to launch a token, so it can be bought and sold. But he did it. Congratulations. That's incredible. It's ranked it's in the top 100 now. Top 100 cryptos, 24-hour volume, 308 million. Incredible. That's fantastic. And look at what it's up for the year. 12,760%. That is what is that? That is 127x. Wow. That is awesome. 127x. So if you would have just threw 1,000, not just 1,000, not saying it like $1,000 is nothing, but if you would have threw $1,000 at this at the beginning of the year, you would have $127,000 now. Man, that's what I love about crypto. Last bull run, Gala did that for me. It was crazy. That got me absolutely addicted to cryptocurrency. You can change your life so fast with a little bit of luck and some great picks. But wow, that's incredible. I can't believe it. It was like a year ago, or maybe a year and a half ago, I watched his video, something like that, maybe a year. But try to look it up. It's pretty awesome. So anyway, it's up 94% for the week. For the day, 32.8%. In the last hour, down 1.7. You're going to expect that after a massive 32% push for the day. Bitcoin looks fantastic. Looks like it's ready, or possibly ready to go. It is up at a 702. This is on a monthly chart. All right, so you can see on a monthly, you came down here. You had a higher low. You have a higher high up here now, and a higher low so far. So looking like a possible break to the upside here. if you can zoom in on this thing, let's go in on a daily. I want to show you something. You know, as far as wave counts and all that stuff. All right, you would right through here. Looks like you got your ABC structure right there. Then inside here, we were trading this in Discord. This C wave down. I love trading ABCs, and the way we knew that was coming was right here. All right, you know, 1, 2. Was this right up here? 3, 4. You had 5 waves up. Then you have an ABC, and then you, if you're heading to the upside, you start another 5 waves up. All this is inside of, and I teach all that in the 10 hours of videos, the Elliott waves. This is all inside of a bigger wave. 1, 2, 3. You got that wick down there, okay? 4 and a 5th wave up. This is all one 5 wave system here. All right, now if it breaks to the upside, if this follows through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, the target for Bitcoin is around 71,000 bucks. This box up here. Now if we come back out, look where that box is at. It would make a breakout of this wedge. Okay, then you would be heading massive move if that breaks out. Then you're looking first off at that 70 to 71, then an ABC correction, and then a possible bigger move, you know, up towards 88, 90,000 bucks, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, somewhere around there. So Bitcoin is looking really good right now. The weekly RSI 57.02 and a 57.9, oversold. That's at a 56 down here in the bottom. Down the bottom, it's heading to the upside. Your monthly is trying to turn up. You can see here down on the bottom, it is turning up. It's at a 50.6 and a 52.7. You can see it trying to curve here, right? Your 3-day looks good, bullish, 87 and a 75, and your 5-day looks very good too. Yeah, Bitcoin looks pretty darn good here. You also have inside a double bottom, 1 up, 2 up. You know, W formations are what you want to see. Double bottoms is what that is. That's a double bottom formation, and heading for a possible breakout. You know, don't bet the farm on it. You know, I've seen stuff roll over before. Nobody knows for absolute sure what it's going to do, but it looks pretty good. Turbo on the weekly, still heading up. The RSI, anyway, okay? Does not mean the price is going to go higher, but the RSI is still heading up. You got your monthly, no monthly yet. Yeah, this goes back to May of 2023, okay? May, so you got May of 2024. Probably a month and a year and a half ago, I seen that video that, you know, and look at this, it was down 0.002, 0.0001. I mean, it was down there, and then to do 127x, probably all in this one candle. Well, this one here then, but look at that push. That was from there up to the top. 1,000, that's a 17x, 1,713%. That's crazy. That's what you want to, that's what gets you excited in crypto. All right, now if we look at this chart, this is on a monthly, right? Take a fib, put it on here, all right? A 1618 is up around 0.014. Now let's zoom in a little bit, all right? Okay, on a daily. Alright, let's take a one second here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like that you possibly have. Yeah, you do. Okay, I see what's going on here. Right here. Oops, I'm sorry. Right inside here, you can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Okay, you got 5 waves right there. That is all inside of a bigger move. It looks like right here you have a 1, 2. This would all be a wave 3. All right, that's how Elliott structure goes. Wave 4 pullback, hard to say where it'll go. Maybe a 382 somewhere up here. Maybe it pushes a third wave up a little bit more. I don't know, but you'll get a wave 4 pullback and then a wave 5 up. All right, is it going to hit that target exactly? I don't know. I don't. Nobody does. But if it does, that is a how much more up would that be? Usually a 1618 is a target area, and like I said, a target area. They don't always hit them. When I'm leverage trading, I'll put it probably somewhere in the middle. I'm happy with that then. All right, it's better than it coming up to here and you thinking, oh, it still has a lot to go, and it rolls over and you lose all your profits. You got to take profits while you got them, and you can see right here pretty clear. 1, 2, 3, wave 3. Then you're going to have a fourth wave pullback here at some time. The 4 hour and the 8 hour are probably maxed out. Let's take a look. The 4 hour, it's starting to hook over. All right, your 8 hour. Looks like it has maybe a little bit left. 91 and then 81. Then your hourly, your hourly is tapped out. It's at a 90.9 and a 91, and let me see here. Do you have some bearish divergence on here or not? You have equal highs here. Here you have a high and you have a higher high in price. You don't have a higher high on the RSI. All right, so maybe a little bit of bearish divergence here. But anyway, if we come back here, let's on that daily. So we hit our price target. We had a target here. It's over exceeding it. Potentially, this could have another, it could potentially could have another at least 20% left in it. Maybe. We'll see. But right, turbo hit our price target. It's made its move. Is it going to go up any higher? It could. It might. We'll see. But it is looking good. Hey, please go check that level 3 membership out. Hit the like and subscribe, and come join us. Let's make some money together. Have a great day, everybody.